Hello my dear students, how are you all? Guys, today in this particular video I am going to discuss with you 8th unit of your maths class 10th trigonometry. I am going to start with this particular unit when specific reason behind it. Somewhere means remaining all the units, somewhere you are familiar with this particular units because you read something about that particular concept in 6th also, 7th also, 8th also, 9th also. But this particular trigonometry, it is totally new concept. It is totally new. And many times students, they are going to fear with it. So guys, don't fear. I am here. Don't worry about that. And it is my 100% guarantee कि please follow me. I will clear your all the concept. After it, I will solve each and every numericals of your mathematics book. Okay, and each and everything very properly you understood. So let's start. We should not waste time. Okay, guys, listen here. What is the name of this particular unit? Its name is Introductions of Trigonometry. What is its name? Introductions of Trigonometry. Our first question is arising: what is trigonometry? I am going to clear you from that concept only कि what is trigonometry. देखिए trigonometry is three Greek words are here. One is tri, second one is gon, and third one is metron or measurement. Tri, gon, and metron. Tri, it means three. Tri, it means three. And gon, it means sides. Gon means sides. And metron or metri, it means measurement. It means measurement. So guys, my name it is going to clear. Three side measurement means measurement of three sides. Measurement of three sides. By this concept easily we can understand. Here we will pay our full attention toward the three sides as well as three angles, and definitely you will understand each and everything. So now the trigonometry, what is the mean, that is clear. Now what we will study in this particular branch of mathematics, we will study here relation between sides and angles. Relation between sides and angle, and each and everything we will discuss about the triangle only. We will discuss about triangle only. Why? Because just I told you try. What I told you? Try. Try means three, and gone. Gone means side. It means three side. और भाई three side किसमें होती है? Triangle. Understood or not? So here in this particular branch of mathematics, we will study about the relation between sides and angles of a triangle. What we will study here? Relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Sides and angles of a triangle. Is that clear? Okay. Ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle with respect to its acute angles. What would be our way to study relation between sides and angles of a triangle? Our way would be ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle. किस चीज की डिस्कस करेंगे भाई हम? Ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle with respect to its acute angle. It means यहाँ पर हम बात करेंगे, we will discuss about the right angle triangle. We will discuss about the right angle triangle. यदि मैं right angle triangle की बात करता हूँ तो you can understand means this is right angle triangle. Okay guys, it is right angle triangle. Okay, this is, and it is right angle on B. Right angle on B. तो हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं? What we are going to discuss here कि here we will study about the ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle. Means we will discuss about the ratio of sides. Look here, three sides are here. This one side, this two side, and this three side. So what we will study? We will study about these three sides of a right angle triangle. Right angle means it is 90 degree. It is on which place? It is right angle at point B. ओके तो मैंने देखिए बच्चों क्या बात की थी अभी? जस्ट आई डिस्कस दिस थिंग्स की वी विल स्टडी हियर रेशियो ऑफ द साइड्स ऑफ ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. द साइड्स जस्ट आई टोल्ड व्हिच साइड्स आर हियर. वन इज दैट्स AB, अनदर वन इज द BC एंड अनदर वन इज द AC. ओके हम इन तीन साइड की डिस्कस करेंगे. Got my point? Okay. Ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle with respect to its acute angle. Another important thing is acute angle. Do you know about the angles? Angle, you know, acute means less than 90. Acute means less than 90. Yeah, we can say that between 0 to 90. Okay. So this is the sides, and which angle is acute here? C angle is acute here. C angle is acute here. Okay. So this is the simple things. देखिए क्या होता है कि what we are going to study, it is the mathematics or social science or English, whatever be. Each and every point we must understand कि what we are going to perform, what we have to do. हमने अभी आपको बताया कि first I clear you कि what is the meaning of trigonometry, trigon, metron. Okay? तो यहाँ पे हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ. What was the concept? Concept was that only कि हमको स्टडी करना है रिलेटेड विद थ्री साइड्स. अब इस थ्री साइड्स की स्टडी हमको किसके साथ करना है? We will study with acute angle. With acute angle. Okay? Clear this thing? In this here we will study about the trigonometrical ratio. After it we will study about some specific angles, and after it we will study about trigonometric identities. Means three main thing is here. One is trigonometrical ratio between 0 to 90. Trigonometrically ratio between 0 to 90. After it some specific angle, and after it trigonometric identities. So we are in the first phase. In first phase we will study trigonometrical ratio between 0 and 90 degree. Okay. So let's start. Trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio in short form we call it T ratio. If suppose I am going to speak T ratio or I am going to speak trigonometric ratio, things are same. Okay. अब देखिए हमने अभी बात क्या की थी, जस्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट द थ्री साइड्स. हमने किसकी बात करी है? थ्री साइड. तो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, देन फर्स्ट फेज इज दैट ओनली कि वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट पर्टिकुलर साइड्स. अब अगर हम साइड की बात करते हैं तो व्हाट इज द कांसेप्ट ऑफ द साइड्स? हियर वी विल स्टडी द थ्री साइड्स, वन बेस, देन perpendicular, and then hypotenuse. Just I will clear you this thing, what is perpendicular, what is base, and what is hypotenuse. I think you must be familiar with it with the help of Pythagoras theorem. In previous classes you studied already. Okay. So here the trigonometric ratio, the T ratio, concept of perpendicular, base as well as hypotenuse. And these particular things we will study in a right angle triangle. Perpendicular, base and hypotenuse we will study in right angle triangle. Okay. Now for any acute angle in a right angle triangle, for any acute angle in a right angle triangle, how we will guess ki which is perpendicular, which is base and which is hypotenuse? It is very important, and this all things we will study due to means we will study as per the acute angle. As per the acute angle we will study as per the acute angle. If suppose our acute angle will change, so definitely this particular side will also change. This concept only I am going to clear you. Okay, look what will happen. We can call that acute angle of reference also. Angle of reference, it means only acute angle. Okay. Now we are going to study about any acute angle in a right angle triangle. देखिए, this is acute. Okay, this is acute. Now concept is this: side opposite to acute angle. Side opposite to acute angle. This is acute angle. Okay, and side opposite to this. So look, you can see this. This is the side opposite to acute angle. Side opposite to acute angle. So side opposite to acute angle, this is called perpendicular. What do you call it? Perpendicular, and we denote by capital P. Okay. Now we will discuss another thing, adjacent side to the acute angle. Adjacent. It means we can say one side with the help of that particular side, acute angle is going to frame. So look here, this is acute angle, okay, and this particular acute angle if you are going to discuss, then adjacent side we have to discuss. What we have to discuss? Adjacent side. So adjacent side to the acute angle, it is called base. It is called base. And now the third concept, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, it means what? Side opposite to right angle. This is our right angle, and side opposite to right angle is this. Side opposite to right angle is this. So this is called hypotenuse. What we called it? Hypotenuse. So guys, three things is very important here. One is the perpendicular, another one is the base, and another third one is the hypotenuse. With the help of this perpendicular, base as well as hypotenuse, we will describe all the trigonometric ratio. With the help of this, we will describe all trigonometric ratio. Okay. Now once again, I am going to clear this concept of perpendicular, base as well as hypotenuse. Look, one more figure in front of you. One right angle triangle is here. Okay. And it is right angle at B. It means this angle is 90 degree. Okay. And it is acute on point A. It is acute on point A. Or now right angle at B, acute at A. Now we will find out hypotenuse, base as well as perpendicular respect to acute angle which is at point A. Suppose if this acute angle not at the A, suppose it acute angle on the point C. In that case, this particular adjacent side and side opposite to that angle, definitely it will change, because just हम जो discuss कर रहे हैं as per this side opposite to acute angle. If acute angle is here, in that case opposite side would be this, and suppose acute angle is here, in that case opposite side would be this, right? So definitely ratio will change. Definitely ratio will change. Means we will study these things in respect to angle A and after it respect to angle C. Okay, just we are going to discuss due with respect to angle acute angle A. Right guys? अब देखिए यहाँ पर, see here carefully. It is acute at point A. Now what I just told you, side opposite to acute angle. Side opposite to acute angle. Side opposite to acute angle is perpendicular. So which side is opposite to acute angle? Side BC. Which side is opposite it, sir? Side BC. So side BC is what? Perpendicular. Side BC is perpendicular. Why? Because it is opposite to acute angle. Got my point? Right? Now see here, side AB. Side AB. It is adjacent side. It is adjacent side to the acute angle. It is our acute angle and it is adjacent side to the acute angle. In that case, it would be base. Means what would be our base? अगर हम यहाँ पर देखें simply, तो we can say that base, it means AB, right? And if we will be discuss about the perpendicular, so perpendicular would be, clear this thing? And now third concept is very clear, side opposite to right angle. Side opposite to right angle. It is called hypotenuse. So what would be our hypotenuse? HYPOTENUAC. It would be AC. So clear? Okay? These things is very important. Very, very important. Many students, they are not understanding these sides very properly. After it, they are unable to understand the concept of acute angle, and many times they are totally confused regarding finding of trigonometric ratio. Okay guys, now with the help of three diagrams, I will clear you if the position of acute angle is going to change. Position of acute angle is going to change. Then what will happen to our perpendicular and base? Perpendicular and hypotenuse will not change, but perpendicular as well as base will change. Okay, see this figure carefully. Here you have to see one right angle triangle. It is right angle at B. Okay, if right angle at B and acute at A, in that case angle A it is angle of reference, or we can say it is acute angle. Okay. Same, now you have to see the second figure. I will compare all the things together. Here angle of reference or acute angle is A. If we are going to see this figure number B, chalo, I am giving it is figure number 1, it is figure number 2, and it is figure number 3. If we are going to see in figure number 1, in that case, what is the angle of reference or acute angle? It is A. Angle A. This thing is clear? Okay. Now you have to see that figure number 2. Which is angle of reference or acute angle? It is C. It is C. Understand? Clear? Now you have to see that figure 3. Which is acute angle here? Angle R. Which is acute here? Angle R. So we can say that here angle of reference is angle A. Here angle of reference is angle C, and here angle of reference is angle R. Okay guys? Clear this thing? Right? Okay. Now look what happened in this both the figure. Here acute angle is changing. Here acute was on point A. Okay. Here acute was on point C. Understood? Okay. Now third figure you have to see. In third figure, what is happening? It is here right angle on B. Here also right angle on B. But here right angle on Q. Right angle on Q. Understand? If right angle on Q, in that case what will happen? This ratio will change of perpendicular. How? See here. Look. Now here perpendicular. अभी फिर से आपको दिमाग में वही चीज वापस रहना पड़ेगी कि कौन सी चीज को हम परपेंडिकुलर बोलते हैं, किस चीज को हम परपेंडिकुलर बोलते हैं. मैंने क्या बताया था आपको? साइड अपोजिट टू एक्यूट एंगल. साइड अपोजिट टू एक्यूट एंगल. दिस इज एक्यूट एंगल, एंड विच साइड इज अपोजिट टू एक्यूट एंगल? दिस इज BC. दिस इज BC. तो भाई देखिए इन फिगर नंबर 1 व्हाट वुड बी द परपेंडिकुलर? BC. हियर परपेंडिकुलर BC. Now you have to apply same concept for figure number 2. What I just told you. What is perpendicular? Again I am repeating, side opposite to acute angle. What is here acute angle? C. And what is the side opposite to acute angle? That is AB. That is AB. Here it was BC, but in this figure it is AB, right? So perpendicular for the first figure would be BC, and perpendicular for figure 2 it would be AB. It would be AB. Clear? Now see that figure number 3. In figure number 3 perpendicular, what I just told you, again I am repeating, side opposite to acute angle. Side opposite to acute angle. What is acute angle here? R. So side opposite to acute angle is PQ. It is PQ. So what would be here perpendicular? PQ. Clear guys? Here perpendicular BC, here perpendicular AB, and here perpendicular PQ. Clear? Understood these things? Okay. Now angle of reference or acute angle also be clear, as well as perpendicular also. Now we will discuss about base. Okay. अगर हम base की बात करते हैं, if we are going to discuss about base, so what is base? Adjacent side to the acute angle. Adjacent side to the acute angle. अब देखिए यहाँ पर भाई acute angle. Here acute angle is A. Acute angle is A. In that case, what would be the adjacent side with the acute angle A? It would be AB. It would be AB. तो फर्स्ट फिगर के लिए बेस क्या होगा आपका? AB. क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों बेस? What would be base? Students, AB. Clear this thing? अब यहाँ पर आइए फिगर नंबर 2. फिगर नंबर 2 पे आप देखिए, फिगर नंबर आप 2 को देख रहे हो तो इट इज एक्यूट ऑन विच पॉइंट? इट इज एक्यूट ऑन पॉइंट C. It is acute on point C. और मैंने क्या बोला? Adjacent side to the acute angle. Adjacent side to the acute angle. तो which is the adjacent side here? BC. Which is adjacent side here? जिसके द्वारा वो acute angle frame हुआ है, it is BC. So guys, what would be base here? Here base would be BC. Here base would be BC. Okay. And now for the figure number 3, adjacent side to the acute angle. Adjacent side to the acute angle. यहाँ पर acute angle क्या है आपका? R. Adjacent side would be PR. Adjacent side would be PR. तो यहाँ पर आपका base sorry, here if you are going, it is acute. Acute on which place? It is acute on place R. So in that case, adjacent side would be QR. Would be what would be the adjacent side? This would be ओके, क्यू आर। तो यहां पर जो आपका क्या आपका बेस क्यू आर, क्या हो जाएगा आपका बेस यहां पर क्यू आर, यहां पर बेस हो गया आपका क्यू आर। और जो आपका बेस हमने क्लियर कर लिया आपका, और बेस के बाद एक चीज और हमारी क्लियर हो गई, परपेंडिकुलर। यहां पे जो हमारा परपेंडिकुलर आया दैट इज बीसी, ये हो गया हमारा परपेंडिकुलर। यहां पर जो परपेंडिकुलर आया आपका एबी, ये हो गया हमारा परपेंडिकुलर, ओके। और यहां पर जो हमारा परपेंडिकुलर आया है दैट इज पीक्यू, ये हो गया हमारा परपेंडिकुलर। मतलब देखिए व्हाट वी डिड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर फिगर, वी हैव क्लियर ऑलरेडी एंगल ऑफ रेफरेंसेस, आफ्टर वी क्लियर परपेंडिकुलर एंड वी डिस्कस ऑलरेडी base. Now last we will discuss hypotenuse. What is the definition of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse, it means what? Side opposite to right angle. Side opposite to right angle. Side opposite to right angle. Let's see where is the right angle. If in figure 1 up right angle at B, opposite side would be AC. Opposite side would be AC. Clear guys? Here also you have to see, it is also same, right angle at B, then opposite side would be AC. Clear this thing? And here you have to see, if here you are going to see, it is right angle at point Q and opposite side is PR. Opposite side is PR. It is hypotenuse. So clear this concept? It is very important concept related with hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. Now when this theory will clear, now we will start the real trigonometry. Now our trigonometry will start. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, I am going to erase these all the things and I am starting now on trigonometric ratio.